fried chicken. I am going to get my buttermilk marinade going. I go about 2 cups of buttermilk, couple shakes of your favorite hot sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and just the smallest amount of celery seed, and a couple big pinches of salt. All right, so we're gonna take our chicken. We're going to put it in a resealable bag, and then we're gonna take our buttermilk and pour it over top. And this is gonna marinate for anywhere from minimally 3 hours up to about 8.
So this is very, very simple. It's just a cup of cornstarch and flour, 1 cup. This is just all-purpose flour. So this is some paprika.
Could you do like a smoked paprika in here?
For sure. About a teaspoon of cayenne.
You could really make them how you
Good
want.
pinch of salt. And some good amount of cracked pepper. Get out of my jar rub. All right.
So we have peanut oil in here to start, but I also have some pork lard back here, and I am gonna add some lard to my peanut oil. So fried okra.
Fried okra. Okay.
I cut these in about 1/3 of an inch thickness. So this is just the first part of our dredge. So about a 1/4 cup of flour, good pinch of salt, a little bit of paprika and cayenne.
Sort
and
of
then
the same
that's it.
spices we used in the chicken. So I have 1 egg. Just gonna give that a little whisk to start it. And then we're gonna put in about a 1/2 cup of soda water, which is going to, when it's fried, give it a really nice crispy texture. Okay, and you see that gives a nice, look at it foam.
So we just go first in the flour, a nice even coating, and then in the pocket with the eggs. So then you're just gonna coat these evenly, and I am just gonna start dropping some of these in the fryer. And remember, whenever you're putting things away, don't drop from high, get a little bit closer, always kind of push it away from you. So once these go in, you kind of just give them a swirl. And now we're just looking for them to get a nice golden brown. You could see it has that nice texture on it, some of the green popping through. These ones that are golden, I am just gonna pull out. And as soon as these go down on the paper towels, Liz is gonna hit them with a little pinch of salt. It's star show time, I feel, fried chicken. So
Yes.
we marinated it in the buttermilk, and then I'm gonna start dredging the chicken into the flour.
I like this. This is your take on Shirla's fried chicken.
My take on Shirla's chicken. So we have all the chicken breaded. We should be at about 360 degrees. So our oil is at the right heat. I'm gonna start placing these in the fat. See that nice pop there? And because we're doing this in a cast iron, after about 3 or 4 minutes, I will move these around and flip them. So everything's kind of getting nice and crisp and cooking evenly. And we should be done in about 10 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes with our fried chicken. Remember, temp the meats to see what temps they're at so everything is cooked through. All right, it took about
It's really perfect.
12 minutes. We're gonna garnish this with some crunchy flat leaf parsley. So as that is happening, we're gonna take our beautiful fried chicken.
That is so perfect.
So hot. Spread the okra around.
Now this is something Shirla never did.
I'm gonna put some lemons and limes on here. And that is it. That is our ode to Shirla fried chicken okra.
I love that fried parsley.